This is not going to be your normal tool review, I promise you that. Everybody gives tool reviews with tools that they just take out of the box, and of course they're going to act like they're new because they are new. Stick around and I'll let you know how things are after 4 years of use. If you didn't catch the label on the box, this is the WEN 13-inch spiral blade benchtop thickness planer. First off, I highly doubt you'll find any other thickness planer in this price point that has as many different features as this one does. And again, this is after 4 years of use, and I'll still make that claim. As I'm unpacking it, you can tell that nothing is damaged, nothing was missing, it was packaged quite well. The only assembly needed was putting on the dust collection port, if that's what it's called, but that is made to remove at will so that you can clean it out and also get to service the blades. The only other part you needed to put on was the height adjustment handle. After that, just had to remove some other packing material and it was ready to go. At this point in time, I didn't have any dust collection, so later on you'll see the chips just flying out of that dust collection port. If you've seen any of my other videos, you know that I came up with a temporary solution until I got the dust collection. Now that it's all set up, ready to go, we'll give it a try. Looks like I pulled a piece of wood off of an old pallet to do the first run here. Since this was the first time ever using a thickness planer, I obviously don't know what I'm doing. Walking right through the middle of the chips flying and no hearing protection. 2 things I recommend you change when you do this. For the first run, fresh out of the box, it worked wonderfully, as you would expect it would. But now, as promised, let's move forward in time 4 years, and how does this really work today and after 4 years of use? And actually, it works just as good now as it did then. Yes, over 4 years, I did have to change out some blades, rotate some blades, but that's just normal usage. As I said before, you just can't beat this for the price you pay.